iron pans. Are they worth it? Hey kitchen enthusiasts, are cast iron pans actually worth all the hype or just heavy old-fashioned cookware your grandparents used? Today we're settling the debate and answering the question, are cast iron pans really worth adding to your kitchen arsenal? In a world of non-stick, stainless steel, and ceramic options, why do so many serious cooks still swear by these heavy black pans? Let's break down what makes cast iron different and whether those differences actually matter for your cooking. Cast iron stands out for three remarkable qualities that other cookwares simply can't match. Number 1, heat retention. Have you ever tried searing a steak in a regular pan? The temperature drops dramatically when food hits the surface. Cast iron solves this completely. Once hot, these pans maintain their temperature beautifully. Why does this matter? Because consistent high heat creates that restaurant-quality sear that locks in juices and develops complex flavors. That's why steakhouses rely on extremely hot cooking surfaces. It's the secret to exceptional results. Number 2, durability. How many non-stick pans have you replaced over the years? The average home cook buys a new non-stick pan every 1 to 2 years as coatings deteriorate. Meanwhile, cast iron literally lasts for generations. People are cooking with 100-year-old cast iron pans that perform better than when they were new. That's because cast iron actually improves with use as it develops a natural non-stick surface called seasoning. Number 3, versatility. What other pan can go from stovetop to oven to campfire without missing a beat? Cast iron handles temperatures and cooking methods that would destroy other cookware. From perfectly seared steaks to deep dish pizza to cornbread with crispy edges, cast iron delivers results that specialized pans struggle to match. But let's address the real concerns. Cast iron does have some legitimate drawbacks. The main issue is weight. There's no getting around it. Cast iron is heavy. A standard 10-inch pan weighs about 5 pounds empty. But here's a perspective shift. That weight is exactly what gives cast iron its incredible heat retention. It's like choosing between a light jacket that looks good or a heavier one that actually keeps you warm. The second concern is maintenance. You've probably heard you can't wash cast iron with soap or that it requires complicated seasoning rituals. But modern dish soaps won't harm properly seasoned cast iron, and daily maintenance is surprisingly simple. Are a few basic care steps worth the superior cooking results? For millions of cast iron enthusiasts, that's an easy yes. How do you decide if cast iron is right for your kitchen? Here are the 3 types of cooks who benefit most. If you love deeply browned meats, caramelized vegetables, and foods with exceptional texture, cast iron's heat retention creates results that lighter pans simply can't match. If you appreciate value and sustainability, a $25 cast iron pan will outlast dozens of disposable non-stick pans, making it both economical and environmentally friendly. If you're an adaptable cook who values versatility, cast iron handles everything from stovetop searing to oven baking to open flame cooking, minimizing the need for multiple specialized pans. Have you tried cooking with cast iron? What's your experience been like? Drop a comment below with your favorite cast iron recipe or your biggest question about using these classic pans. If this video helped you decide if cast iron is right for your kitchen, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen equipment reviews, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest recommendations. Until next time, where we help you make smarter kitchen decisions.